Hi, this is Mike from Arcan Trailer. Today I'm going to go over the new Primetime Avenger 32 den model. Brand new floor plan this year. We're really excited about it and I'll show you why. So we'll start on the outside. As you can see, Avenger's got the new look this year with the gray tint on the exterior, kind of modernized the look a little bit. And they packed in some great new features as well. You got the power awning up top with the LED light strip, outside speakers. And one thing I really like on this trailer as well is the extra outside storage they give you. So they got this nice bin right here. You can pack in whatever you want, maybe your outside grill or, you know, toys for the kids, anything like that. Plus the full pass-through storage up front. Down below, they added new power jacks this year as well as a power tongue jack at the front. I'm going to show you one really cool thing at the back is they added backup camera prep as well. So it's pre-wired for a backup camera. All that means, or an observation camera, is you buy the camera and have it installed and it's ready to go. Really handy to have, especially with a longer trailer like this. Let's head inside. All right, welcome inside to the 32 den. As you can see, very spacious floor plan. You got two nice big slide outs here in the back living room for a very social, either living area or sleeping area. These are both fold out couches. You got theater seating right in front of the big screen TV, DVD player with the USB, auxiliary, Bluetooth connected to the speakers in the ceiling and outside. These here have nice little backlit cup holders as well as USB chargers if you needed to, you know, charge up one of your mobile devices while you're on the road. Lots of storage. So big pantry here, overhead storage in the slide out, tons of cabinets. Storage definitely won't be a problem in this unit. You can see nice seamless countertops. That was an upgrade this year as well. You don't have to worry about anything chipping up on you or flaking. Bench style seating with the high top table. Nice industrial sprayer faucet. You can see tons of lighting as well. It's not dark in here at all. Okay, master bedroom. So queen bed, you know, with an actual closing door on both sides. One thing I really like that they did with this floor plan is they added a nice big wardrobe over here. So hangers, drawers for that extra storage. And we'll check out the bathroom. All right. So huge tub surround, you know, hangers for your closet, or sorry, your towels or robe, and huge vanity as well. And that about does it for the Primetime Avenger 32 den. I'm Mike from Arcan Trailer.